Since joining GPS Ed, I have accumulated quite a bit of knowledge about manufacturing careers and what it all entails. I have learned how to read and write blueprints along with all of the different aspects that manufacturing offers. It is like having a year more of experience, which is significant when it comes to entering the job market.
Everything at TCI showed me that working hard pays off, and the harder you work, the more successful you will be. They set you up for success, and all it takes is time and solid work.
I would really like to thank those at RideTech Corporation for showing me the most effective and productive way to do my job. They always took the time to give me constructive criticism when needed, and also complimented me on a job well done.
The instructors in the program also taught me a lot about life and gave me knowledge when it comes to the workforce and being an employee. They helped me prepare for my future career by telling me ways I could possibly improve as an employee and as a member of society. Throughout this program, I gained skills that I will take with me throughout life. These skills include people skills, better communication, work ethic, and punctuality.
I currently see myself exploring HVAC, underwater welding, construction, or small engine repair. GPS Ed has given me and my classmates a new skill sets to enter the work world with upon graduation. We hope to be part of the solution to the gap in manufacturing jobs that currently exists. We are ready from day one to be contributors to society.
GPS Ed has forced me to grow mentally and physically. This past year I've had numerous accomplishments to be most proud of. I now have experience and a numerous amount of certifications added to my resume such as MSSC and work keys.
During the time I also learned to use calipers, spot facers, deburr machines, operate drill presses, and use grinders. Hands-on experience in manufacturing industry giving me a unique perspective on potential career paths.
One thing I've learned is to keep an open mind about everything I do, and this has helped me be very successful at marketing services because it's helped me gain confidence and hands-on experience in the work world.
At GPS, I've learned to focus on the tasks in front of me, and with help from instructors, they've made it easy to learn. They have pushed me to better myself and encouraged me to take my schoolwork seriously. We all reach crossroads in life, and you have a choice of which path you take. No matter which way you go, ensure that the journey is worthwhile.
I learned how to build a resume, carry leadership skills, and how to budget properly for a car or a home. Outside the classroom working at Avidity Science, I learned a lot by rotating departments throughout the whole manufacturing area. I learned how to operate a variety of machines and tools.
The GPS Ed program has given me the opportunity of a lifetime. In class, I have also learned many helpful life skills. Nate makes the classroom a great learning environment. He always brings students together in class, and he's always ready to help whoever and wherever is needed.
The work experience and the life skills I've gained from being in GPS Ed have really helped me out a lot with maturing and growing as I pursue a career in the military, and overall be the best leader for my peers to my full capabilities and see where it takes me. I have met a lot of great people at work and school, but one specific instructor was Katie, who would help me a lot with articles and achieve math, since it was something I would sometimes struggle with.
The most important lessons that I have learned about the business world is that it is quality over quantity. It has really given me and my classmates a good head start into the real world. One relationship that made my GPS Ed experience really stand out was my instructor, Nate. He is by far the best teacher that I have ever had. He makes it enjoyable to come to school every day.
This allowed me to figure out what my strengths and weaknesses were, and ultimately helped me decide what my goal for the future would be after graduation. After graduation, I plan to serve in the United States Marine Corps. And as a final note, I hope that GPS Ed grows and changes the lives of plenty of other kids in the future in a similar way that they have changed mine.
I have become confident with using larger machines, such as winding machines, and I have gotten more comfortable with welding and using tools. You have helped me grow as a person so much this year, and without this program, I don't know where I'd be.
Work hard. I know it's incredibly basic advice, but I'm serious. When you work hard and become even a little invested in something, things turn out so much better in just about every aspect. Planning stages, execution of a plan. So please work hard, give everything you have for everything you can.
It gave me a great company to be a part of and changed my life. I wouldn't have grown this much in the past year if it weren't for GPS Ed. I feel comfortable using my new time management and communication skills during work and my day-to-day life. One thing I would take from my time in this program and apply to my life is how nothing is handed to you. You have to put the work in to make it in the real world, and how being responsible for your mistakes and success is a big part of life.
The best thing I can say for the younger generation of GPS Ed students is treat GPS Ed instructors with respect, because their job is to quite literally change your life to be successful. If you give them a chance, they'll do everything in their power to help you be successful.
The only new beginning here is the start of our lives as adults. But guess what? We've already started. The most adult thing we can and have been doing is planning out and securing a future for ourselves. True success is defined by how happy you are with yourself and the life you made for yourself. And that's why we were in the program in the first place. We wanted to build a better future for ourselves, and we did exactly that.